Alright guys, here we are. This was the campsite for last night. We got here about 9:30, 9:40 and set up the tent super quick because we only had a little bit of light, and we are back on the road today. We're gonna have a bit of an easy one. Gonna go visit some nice caves up here in the mountains. We are just in between kind of like a valley. So yeah, excited for the next day. Let's go. So this is the path where I was looking for my phone for about, yeah, like an hour basically. So what a waste. I thought it'd fallen in one of these. Well, not a bad place to spend an hour at least.
You are so pretty.